It started out as a backyard business in Melbourne a century ago. Today, Sigma Pharmaceutical turns over $3 billion a year. But revenue has been hit by recent changes to the pharmaceutical benefit scheme and more headaches for investors in the future, with supermarkets looking to move into the drug-selling market. Emily Stewart reports.
After a tough few years, Sigma is back in the black, a perfect way to celebrate 100 years in business. But shareholders had some birthday wishes of their own.
Positive news.
That the shares are going to go up by about 400%.
I think Sigma is at a place now where it could make some improvements.
Sigma owns retail brands Amcal and Guardian, but it's also a wholesaler. It relies on revenue from the federal government's pharmaceutical benefit scheme. But since April, the price of some medication has been slashed up to 77%, which has slowed Sigma's growth. And this week, the federal budget revealed these reforms have already delivered huge savings.
That should be a message to say, look, the PBS has contributed more than its fair share to the budget position, and there should be other focus areas for the government.
Another challenge for Sigma has been drug manufacturer Pfizer's decision to distribute direct and exclusively to pharmacies.
That, of and by itself, lowered our revenues by about 15%. What we've been able to do is significantly capture market share over the past 12 months, so that the overall impact of that was reduced to just a drop of 2%.
And Mark Hooper hopes other drug manufacturers don't follow Pfizer's lead.
Any further expansion of those arrangements does put at risk these national medicines policy objectives, and more importantly, patients' timely access to medicines within pharmacy.
In the future, competition could get even tougher, with the supermarket giants flagging interest in moving into the pharmaceutical space.
To effectively create a duopoly within healthcare in terms of that pharmacy space, I would have thought that's a very undesirable outcome, both from a policy and an outcomes perspective.
Current laws prevent supermarkets from selling drugs until at least 2015, but after that it could be a bitter pill for Sigma shareholders.